friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am coming for the one interior designing event in a BKC Geo Conversation Center. In this event I will show you some amazing clips and you can enjoy that there are the multiple brands, internet brands, international brand, national brands that are there, and you can see there behind there are so many brands there. Look at the pictures and enjoy it. There is a first branch is about AFC, which is providing the chairs like settings area in offices, or you can see the one sample of there. In the sample, yeah, this is a look like a office boss event. This is a type of the chair which you have a requirement, and beautiful part of in the AFC Interiors Cafe. This is a sitting area basically. There is made by the AFC, and you can see this or enjoy it. All type of the chair. Every chair is a different meaning and sitting for the office's purpose. You can see all. Other brands will be the showcasing our sitting area or interior designing. Digital lockers or manual lockers will be there. One locker is a price around 10k, and see, watch this scenario. It is very beautiful. Looking around the all national international brands coming in BKC, which Geo Conversation World Centers. This is basically showcasing our multiple cafe or coffee or tea making machines are there. Is a Cafe Solutions is the name of this brand, and they are our customers like iCard, Deloitte, Google, Netflix, Geo, Zapto is many companies is there, and this is Actives basically which and there is some other brand, and there was one orientation is going on, means basically this interior designing will be held on. See, this is the office chairs. You are know about the Vipro, and they also showcasing our brands like chairs or like the sitting area as meeting rooms, or like a small cabin, multiple cabin, one person cabin, multiple small meetings cabin, or the cricket grounds. See this all. There is also multiple chairs there, cafeteria, and many things. You will enjoy it, I hope. And in interior design, you know the only the Godrej is there, but there is a multiple brands. This is a part of their the one stall about have Godrej also, and this is a MX. The counting. Did you see this is the one brand? Amardeep design. You can see this is I think you will. It is not open, but it is a theme of this brand using here.
Exactly.
I am coming in a Godrej Interiors. You can see the Godrej products. I like this. And yo man, this is also the some sitting area. This is a round table conferences, and आप लोग जितने भी ब्रांड्स यहाँ देख रहे हो ये बेसिकली ये सारी कंपनीज के लिए काम करती है, नॉट फॉर इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग, होम डिज़ाइनिंग और इन फ्लैट डिज़ाइनिंग. दिस इज़ वर्क फॉर मल्टीपल brand, multiple MNC companies will be providing the offices, lounge areas, or many places, not for the any home decorative. You have to give a bulk order of this. Just you can see the sorts. I will show you some little brand stalls because I just getting late and I just exit and then